Hi guys, today it's very beautiful exercise. So for that exercise we need to do something 5 exercise. It's video a little bit longer. For example, from a video. So first we take our stage. If you wanna like its name, maybe professional name, this one stage. Please write me in the comments. Take this one. And first, we up and down our feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still in that position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up our another leg and up our hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and push to stretch. 2, 3, 4, and a little bit more up. 1, 2, 3. Careful. Maybe like that. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up only our hip.